The Spirit of God says, "Do not fear America. My new president will appoint 5 Supreme Court justices." February 24th, 2016. The Lord's Message through Mark Taylor, spoken by Jackie. The Spirit of God says, "Why do I sense fear in my people about the future of America? Have I not said that I have heard your cries and will heal your land? Stand firm, do not falter, put on the full armor of God. Rake the enemy over the coals. For the end-time battle is on for my 1 billion souls." The Spirit of God says, "Do not fear that my servant Justice Scalia has been taken. For some are crying out, 'Why have I forsaken?' For I will show myself strong to prove that the so-called wise are wrong. For some will say that this is a miracle, for I am just getting started. This is not even close to the pinnacle for what I'm going to do with my America. For do not my people have eyes to see and ears to hear? The 2 signs I gave when they carried my servant's body up the steps of the courthouse, where to rest he was laid? Read the signs that were for all to see, and understand the words in this prophecy." The Spirit of God says, 5, that's right, 5 Supreme Court justices will be appointed by my new president, my anointed. I will choose 5 through my anointed to keep those alive. I will stack the court with those that I choose to send a clear message to the enemy that you lose. This is the miracle that I will perform so that my court will be reformed. The Spirit of God says, the cries that I've heard from the womb have reached my eyes and ears like a sonic boom. The 5 I appoint and the reform that shall take place, the great I Am shall take on this case. For it is my will and my way for all those that have prayed, that my court shall overturn Roe versus Wade. The Spirit of God says, "America, get ready, for I am choosing from the top of the cream, for I'm putting together America's dream team, from the President and his administration, to judges and Congress, to ease America's frustrations." The Spirit of God says, "Rise up, my army, and get in the fight, for this is the generation that's taking flight. This is the generation of warriors that those of old wanted to see, and the enemy will have no choice but to flee. Rise up, stomp the enemy's head with bliss, send the enemy back to hell and into the abyss. This is the generation of warriors that all of hell has feared to face and see, but I Am and all of heaven is cheering you on with glee." Your Supreme Commander, God.